Hi there! If you are watching this right now, that means you have not subscribed to my channel yet. I have to admit it stings a little. Hey! But you can fix it just by clicking this subscribe button. Go on, do it for me, please. Thank you. I feel so much better already. Welcome to my channel, and it's fantastic to have you here because I know you are serious about growing your presence online and diving into the amazing ocean of content creation. In today's digital world, building an online presence isn't just a choice, it's a necessity. Whether you are an aspiring content creator or someone just starting out, I'm here to guide you on why content creation is so important and how you can make it work for you, even if you are not a coder or a tech savvy. What? You still hear me? You've already subscribed? Okay. Just refresh this page and this video will disappear. But you don't worry, I'll be with you the other videos, guiding you and cheering you on every step of your way. Let's make it your content dream a reality together. See you!